Hi, my name is David, and today I'm going to be demoing a project that I did in my UC Berkeley Coding Bootcamp. This was the second group project that I did, and I worked with two other team members, Jonathan and Ryan. This was done in a week, and for the front end, this is a full stack application. For the front end, we use JavaScript and jQuery. Our CSS library, we use Bulma. Our backend, we use Node and Express, and for our database, we used MySQL. And this project is to help people stay organized with the job search. So I'm going to begin by giving you the story of why this was created. And next, I'll give you a demonstration of this project. So this project, helping Employment Buddy, helping you stay organized with your job search, was inspired by when I was first graduating from college at the University of Florida. I was getting my bachelor's degree in finance and my master's degree in international business. And that was really my first time applying for a serious career job. And I didn't really understand how difficult it was, how stressful it was. I'll apply to all these companies, and most of the times, you don't even hear back from them. And you take up so much time submitting your resume, applying for their account. You submit the resume, and then you also have to put whatever's in your resume on their profile account as well. And you have to do all this work, and you don't hear back from all of them. And most of them you don't hear back from. You get rejected on them. Sometimes you go through interviews with companies, and you get ghosted by them as well. And I felt so frustrated by the process because I knew that I was so capable. I have so much to offer. I've done so many fantastic things in my past that I can really help the companies out. And I felt like if only these companies could see all I had to offer, if only they gave me one chance, I could really show to them how much I can really help their company. So I wanted to create this app to help people with their job search by keeping their job search organized, because you really have to play the numbers game to be successful with your job hunt. And now I'm going to begin with a demonstration of this app. And to preface, this app was done within a week. It's not perfect. There's a lot of bugs in it. But the emphasis is that it's an MVP, minimum viable product, that you can use today up and running. So when you get started, this is our landing page, organize your job search, letting the user know what our app is all about. And this blue-white color palette is used to emphasize professionalism while also being openness to the user, because the job hunt process can be a very stressful journey. You begin, and every user has a unique experience while using this app, so you can sign up to create an account. And when you sign up for an account, it gets saved into our database on MySQL, and we use password and a bcrypt to hash the password for these accounts. So you create an account, you enter in your email address. So I'm going to use a makeshift one for this example. And next, you enter in a password. You create an account, and you go to our main page for this app. And this is the app, this is the CRM, the user-friendly CRM that will help you stay organized with everything. So when you apply for a job, you then go to this app and you add the job to this database. So you add the job. So for example, let's say you apply for a job at Google. You enter it there, and you put the position, and you add a new job. And you can see this gets dynamically added to this section of the page. And let's say you apply for another job. Let's say Facebook software engineer. Add new job, and this gets added to the database. The name of the company, the title, the date applied, and last updated gets automatically added to a database on MySQL connected to this user. And here is what's very interesting about this app, is that we have an easy drag and drop feature that we use a Dragula JavaScript library for it. So let's say you apply for Google and you get here back from the phone screen. So you can easily drag and drop it. Yeah, there's a little bug, but it works. And it goes to a phone screen, and you see this counts gets added automatically. And then let's say you get called back for an interview. So you're in an interview phase on it, and it gets dynamically added here. You get an offer, you can submit it here. And let's say you get rejected for a job, you can put it down here and it gets rejected. And this information gets saved in the database. So if you can come back and see it and other people can use it as well. So let's say you log out and you can easily log back in. And when you log in, as you can see, the information we put there stays there for you to use. And that concludes our presentation of Employment Buddy. Thank you for listening and let me know if you have any questions.